Hi, hello.
Hi, my friend.
Could you tell me how many months we have passed already? Long time no see.
A year and a half.
I couldn't believe that I got my friend Rose.
Rose. I can't stop laughing. Do you remember me?
Exactly, I do remember you.
I don't remember anything.
Anyway, thanks to my Allah that I got you once again after long months.
Yeah, I hear you. Let me wash my mouth. There's a lot of people talking about me. It's the shaitan. Astaghfirullah al-azim.
Rose, I had a misconception about you.
What happened?
What's the religion of you?
Muslim. I'm the follower of Islam.
Oh my God. Oh, look, that is my misconception. I thought maybe you are following the Christianity. Doesn't matter what religion you are, but when you said Rabbil Kareem.
Talk about religion. Because when I talk to people, oh my God, the bird. When I talk to people,
Yeah, my bird.
I don't do anything. I just treat them good. Okay? That's what life is about for me.
Rose.
That's the only difference between you. I don't judge you. Whatever you've done, I will never look at you different. That's the point about
Okay,
me. Different than you.
I'm gonna flip my background. Okay, here we go. So Tuti, come here. Tuti, come here. Here you go. Tuti, what? That's my.
Oh my God, cutie, pigeon. Is that a pigeon?
Yeah, my pet.
What is that?
My pet bird.
Is that, what kind of bird is it?
It's the Indian moina. It's called Indian moina, but we call in Bangladesh it's shalik.
Shalik. I love her so much. What's her name or his name?
Tweety.
Oh my God! I was just talking about Tweety to somebody else. I love Tweety.
Yeah, but
I had a bird
Tweety. This name was given by an American. I was talking to her maybe just a year ago, and while my bird was flying just around of mine, but she said, Gazi, can I put a name for your bird? I said, yeah, okay. I still don't put any name. She really put this name, Tori.
Oh, wow. My hair is growing. I want to cut it. I used to have long hair. I don't want long hair anymore.
Oh, do you go to the barber shop to get your hair down?
I want to cut it, shave it off, and walk bald. I want to walk around bald. What's wrong with that? Because I can. Watch me. Okay? Don't test me anymore. God. Whoever you are.
Sure, exactly.
Okay? Everybody.
Exactly.
Okay.
But
everybody.
Rose, could you tell me, do you continuously broadcast?
No, I haven't broadcasted in over a year. I forgot about it.
You forgot about it. What made you change to come over on the app?
I just didn't give a f anymore. I don't care who is what or what is what. I'm gonna say what I want until the day I die. If you want to punch me in the face, come do it. I dare you to.
Okay, do you keep fast?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not fasting right now because I'm sick.
Oh yeah, okay. Anyway, it's okay, but I'm very happy that
I'm doing zakah, if you will. I'm doing zakah. So it doesn't matter. I pray every day.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. You do pray every day. MashaAllah. Most of American, they are Muslim, but they actually don't keep fast, though they are really staying in a good health and don't really go to for prayer. That's the fundamental ways of Islam. Ramadan and prayer. They should. Everyone should really obey this kind of custom as well. If you're in good health.
Yeah, I'm not in good health right now, so I have to excuse myself from this conversation and take a shower. So if you don't mind giving me a little moment, I'm going to leave you here on the line if you want to wait, okay? I got to take a break. I can't talk to you anymore.
For sure.
I'm tired, okay?
Okay, for sure. Okay, thank you, my friends.